Mark Pendley spent a lot of time Monday testifying about his meetings with Nate Paul, an Austin developer and political donor for Ken Paxton. The meetings, according to Pendley, didn't go the way Paxton wanted, especially one of the last.
How was Mr. Paul acting in this meeting in terms of who was in charge and what was going to happen here?
Mr. Paul acted like we didn't understand who the real boss was. It wasn't the Attorney General, it was him.
Pendley said Paul wanted the Attorney General to help him fight off a federal investigation. He claimed court records were altered and he was being railroaded.
Speaking for myself, I thought it was crazy, and I was hoping the Attorney General would drop it. He didn't.
Why did you think it was crazy?
The idea that the state of Texas Attorney General's office would go investigate the federal courthouse, investigate federal agents and also state agents that were task force officers on the raid, and those were agents from the DPS and the State Securities Board, that we would investigate a federal magistrate judge and federal prosecutors was insane.
Pendley testified he warned the Attorney General about Paul's claims.
I also told him there was great risk to him. This could look like bribery. This could turn into a criminal charge against him. I told him this could turn into a media scandal if it got out. I said, you should not be doing this. Please back away from this. Let me handle this my way.
Defense attorneys tried to get Pendley to admit Paxton's request for a review was legitimate. Pendley claims the Attorney General crossed the line by hiring an outside attorney to do what top staff members would not do. It's alleged the new lawyer illegally used the agency's criminal subpoena powers to get the bank records of individuals who are described as enemies of Nate Paul.
Did you break any laws in conducting this investigation?
Absolutely not.
Were you asked to do anything illegal?
Yes.
Tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury about that.
We were asked to obstruct a federal investigation. That's a federal felony.
Late Monday, Missy Minter Carey, Paxton's chief of staff, took the witness stand. She testified about Paxton's extramarital affair and how he confessed to the staff during a meeting in 2018 with his wife.
An uncomfortable experience. It's an experience I had not had before in my life. Somber. Be a word I'd use.
How did General Paxton's wife take it? How was she responding?
She was sad and embarrassed, I believe. That was my impression.
Was she crying?
She was.
Right? When you saw that, what did you do?
My heart broke for her.
Carey went on to testify she thought the affair was over, but allegedly it continued in secret.